You're a man child. Huh. I'm gonna go in the woods. Right? That is kind of shafty. Someone gets clotheslined. Where's Caleb on the SSR? Oh, that was sketch, bro. That was sketch. Adam was going a little fast. We just killed him. Oh, damn, dude. He's got a stick wedged up in his exhaust. Oh, your coolant line. Damn, buddy. Got a stick just wedged in there. Got a lot. What the fuck? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that thing rips, dude. That thing rips. And don't worry about the low noise. Just give it. Buddy, what a good trail system. I love it. Yeah, buddy. Dude, that thing's got so much nuts, dude. That is outrageous. Holy fuck.
Then there's a little SSR.
There's the SSR.
Clapped.
Almost biff shit. Just fucking feed her. Sparky cannot slow down.
Hahndo just hammered. Look at the Sonoma and the Dirty Max.
Next to the Dirty Max.
Yeah. But the Sonoma can tow as much as the Dirty Max because it's got BD diesel tuning to the motor, sumo springs and dual wrench shocks.
You get a death bobble going? Let's see what Adam Hahn can do.
What's Sparky doing now?
Adam Hahn giving her the beans. I think it's fucking mint.
It is, it's fucking nice.
Dude, Adam Hahn, he's giving her the beans. Buddy, you need some help? Put her in fourth.
Keeps dying.
Oh, is it getting low on fuel, huh?
Ah, there it goes.
Blowback in my face right there, it's like insane. Just sounds like Supercross, like how they do.
Wheel spin times 10.
Buddy! What happened?
Got a Rancho dual shocks in the rear. It's got a Ford 9-inch, and it's got a Sumo heavy duty springs in the back for towing my 30-foot camper.
Sounds mint.
She only has 40,000 original miles. Never been beaten on.
And that was the no cab corner factory edition. Correct.
She's just been sitting in grass for a long time.
Yeah. That's what it was.
I don't drink, I don't cuss, I wanna ride on the front of the bus. Oh, the open big
That is nuts. Adam Hahn, dude. So snappy. It's like your 400EX, how snappy it is. That was good.
Alright then.
You just don't get your nuts, buddy.
Like your leg muscle.
Oh shit, those calves.
Got all that lifting weights.
This seriously is the hardest thing to load. Especially by yourself, because you can't
Yeah.
You get one tire, the back tires don't touch the ground.
Well, you just lift it up by yourself. That's
yeah, so
fucked.
I had to.
That's pretty crazy.
I had to somehow lift it up. No, I took a ramp actually. I used this one by myself. This one you just have to get in the skid plate and then you just throw it up there.
Yeah, mine doesn't have red one.
Oh, you got 47? Your number 47?
Yeah.
Solid, dude.
The graphics that came with it, but then I bought these offline. They're like $6. I think it turned out pretty good.
Really good, yeah.
Fook me.